Hey, first graders, let's get ready for Fundations. The materials you will need at home are a piece of paper or a notebook, a piece of cardboard, a red crayon, and a pencil. That's right, we want to make our writing bumpy. Materials you will need at school are the plastic grid, a pencil, a red crayon, the Fundations paper, a notebook, and your tile board. Today's objective is I can identify and build trick words, words with glued sounds, and bonus letters. We are going to practice writing our trick words on that bumpy paper today. So let's get ready to write the word I. This is simple, so make sure your paper is on top of that bumpy cardboard or plastic grid. And in your red crayon, write I. Now this is where we're going to trace over our word with our pointer finger. And this time, we can just say the word because it's very short. Because we can spell and say the word at the same time. We're going to do it 3 times. Let's trace it over. I. Good job. Now we're going to practice the word they. So put that paper on top of that cardboard or the plastic grid. And let's make our writing bumpy. Use your red crayon to write the word they. Now we are going to trace over the word they with our pointer fingers. Remember, we're going to say the letter and then say the word. T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. They. Great. Now let's get ready to echo. Remember, when you see Echo the Owl, you repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. WH, whistle, W. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. ALL, ball, all. Good. Now we are going to stretch our vowel sounds. You can pause the video, stretch out your sounds. Now we are going to talk about one of these words that we have learned in the past about words of the day. So I'm going to pick this word, miss. How do you tap out the word miss? Good, let's tap it out. Miss. How many letters do you see in the word miss? Good, 4 letters. But how many sounds are in the word miss? Well, you could tap it out again just to make sure. Miss. That's right, only 3 sounds in the word. What is the vowel sound in the word miss? Good. I says I. That is the vowel. What does the word miss mean? Well, it could have a couple different meanings. Good. When you miss someone, that you're longing for them, or sometimes we put the word miss in front of somebody's name, like Miss Corrado. Does miss have a digraph in it? No way. It does not have a digraph. But does it have a bonus letter? Yes, it does. Now I want you to tell your teacher or a parent a sentence using the word miss. Now you need to get a notebook, a pencil, and your red crayon. This is where I'm going to tell you a sentence, and you are going to write it down and spell it the best way you can. Now let's take notice of our blue boxes on the screen. This first blue box is nice and tall, so that means there should be a capital letter there. Remember, capital letters are always in the beginning of our sentences. And we have space in between our words, and the perfect amount of space is, you guessed it, your finger spaces. And at the end, they gave you the punctuation mark that you need to use, which is a period. So make sure your sentence ends with a period. So I'm going to tell you the sentence now. I had fun. Remember, you can always pause the video and listen to this sentence as many times as you need. I had fun. Does your sentence look like mine? If it doesn't, please fix it. Now let's be trick word detectives. Can you circle with your red crayon our trick word? Good. The word I is our trick word. Now let's scoop our sentence for expression. Remember, we don't want to sound like robots. We want to sound like our voices go up and down. Good. We have 1 scoop, and if you scooped it differently, that's okay. I had fun. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a different sentence. It's very similar to our first sentence. So get your pencils ready. You're going to write it the best you can. They had fun. You can always pause the video and rewind it. They had fun. Good. Does your sentence look like mine? If it doesn't, make sure you fix it so it does. Now I want us to be trick word detectives. Can you circle with your red crayon the trick word in this sentence? Good, the word they. That's one of our new trick words. Can you scoop the sentence for expression? Good, they had fun. If you had your scoop look a little different, that's okay. Remember, we all read differently with expression. Now I would like us to get our tile boards. And if you're at home and you don't have a tile board, you can use your notebook still. We are going to build a word. So you are going to write this word or build the word with your tiles. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Please build the word hill. Tap it out if you need to. And if you're listening to this video at home, I would like you to write this list in your notebook, and then you're going to take a picture of it and upload the picture into your assignments today. Okay, let's build another word. Be careful, don't fall down the stairs. Please build the word fall. Now we're going to build this word. Let's play with the ring toss. Please build the word toss. Okay, we're going to build this word. He has to paint the wall. Please build the word wall. We're going to build another word. His room is a mess. Build the word mess. Okay, good. Now you are going to try it on your own. Have a wonderful day.